Ever wondered what lies at the heart of precision in the manufacturing industry? The answer: honing machines and accessories, the unsung heroes of precision manufacturing. Welcome to DeepMaya Automation, a front-runner in the world of manufacturing. We are proud to be one of the leading manufacturers of a wide range of honing products. Our inventory is a treasure trove of honing machines, both horizontal and vertical, designed with absolute precision to meet your diverse needs. The meticulous design of these machines ensures seamless operations, making them an indispensable part of your manufacturing process. But what's a honing machine without its companions, the honing holders or heads? We manufacture these too, and they are crafted to perfection, promising to add value to your honing machines. Our catalogue doesn't stop there. We also offer honing sticks varying from 40 grit to 1600 grit. No matter the task, our honing sticks are equipped to handle it all. And of course, to complete the ensemble, we offer a range of honing machine accessories. Whether it's a universal joint, a sliding block, or fixtures, we've got you covered. But our commitment to your needs doesn't stop at manufacturing. We offer services that cater to the evolution of your existing machinery. Have an old single expansion honing machine? We can convert it into a double expansion, or a Plateau honing machine. Need honing job works? We can handle diameters from 4 to 1000 millimeters with a stroke of 5000 millimeters. At DeepMaya Automation, we take pride in our ability to serve you, to meet your requirements, and to add your distinguished name to our list of esteemed clients. So why wait? Reach out to us, explore our comprehensive product catalogue, and find the perfect fit for your needs. Give us the opportunity to serve you, and let us help you achieve new heights in precision manufacturing. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to a long-lasting business relationship. This is Sumant D, Director at DeepMaya Automation, signing off.